Hey, I just want to take a minute today to explain the two types of pressures that you can actually get on your foundation wall, okay? So we have two different types of pressure. We have the soil pressure and we have water pressure. A lot of people call this hydraulic, hydrostatic. This is kind of a lateral soil pressure, which if you get into engineering terms, you can go into the active and passive and wet and density and all that. But I just want to kind of show you generally what soil and water pressure, how they are different in affecting your foundation wall. Soil pressure builds in this capacity. Because of the coefficient of gravity, soil tends to have this kind of lateral pressure where there's more towards the top than there is towards the bottom. When you get into water pressure, it's the exact opposite. And this is why dams are constructed this way. Water pressure actually builds in this capacity, where there's more pressure towards the bottom of your foundation wall. So when you're designing a foundation repair or stabilization method, we've got to kind of know which pressure or which combinations of the pressure is actually pushing and forcing the wall inward, so that we can design it correctly and even repair it correctly by either eliminating the water pressure that's against it, or eliminating the soil pressure against it, or combining the two and eliminating all pressure against the wall. Anyway, thanks for the time. Appreciate you watching the video.